Hey guys, so I was asked how I create these waves that I am calling a slide wave. This is to create kind of an undone textured look. So here's the mantra to remember: wrap twice, unwind, slide, repeat. So wrap twice, unwind, slide, and repeat. Now at the very end, you see my slide is at the very end, and that's going to make sure that my ends are straight. Now, what you're also going to notice on this side is that I'm using tension of the head to create additional drag, which is really elongating that wave. On this side, I'm using much less tension, so you see how the wave is larger. So we're going to do that again. Same mantra: wrap twice, unwrap, slide, and then repeat. Drag out those ends. But you see how the curl is larger this time. So you're going to see it one last time. Unwind. Sorry, this is a bad angle, but you get it. That's the same mantra that you're going to be using. Now, you're going to make sure that these curls are cooled, and then you're going to use your fingers to break up these waves. You could also use a wide tooth comb if you prefer, but I like to use my fingers just like that. Look how pretty those waves are. This is my new Mustafa doll head, by the way, that I am loving. So continue to do that all the way around. Make sure that that side is cool, which it is. And see how you can already see that there's more definition in the waves here? You know, to each its own. But see, now you can already tell that the one side is fluffier and it's got more body. So here are the finished pictures. And thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.